you're managing support with Zendesk. But working smarter with Claude MCP, neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At MESA, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when a customer replies in Zendesk, Claude reads the thread and drafts a suggested response. Or when a ticket enters an escalation or VIP view, Claude pulls the full history and generates a brief. Or even, when a ticket is created in Zendesk, Claude classifies intent and assigns a priority tag. MESA has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Zendesk and Claude, make it happen with MESA. Get started today for free.